What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tommy Kentner here if you're dropping in for the first time. Today we're going to do an exhaust on a 2020 STI. We're going to do the ETS muffler with the resonator and see what it sounds like. But we're headed to go pick up the car and bring it back to the shop. We're in Betty White. She's almost got her break-in miles on her. And then we're going to start doing more videos on her, trying to get her broke in. That way we can have some fun. It's just not a boring driving, putting around video. But we're going to head that way, and then we'll see y'all guys there when we pick up the car. All right, go ahead. And that's a code start. Here's an RA. What's up, guys? We are in Brian's 2020 STI, and he already had done his first mod to it and swapped it out for the RA steering wheel, which feels really nice and looks really clean. But we're going to head back to the shop and get his new exhaust on, and I'll show you a before and after clip. Alright guys, got the car on the lift, gonna go up with it. Alright, car's up, bring it down, set it on the locks. It's on the locks. Alright, and doing the exhaust is pretty straightforward. We got to undo these two bolts, and then we'll have to take it out of this hanger, and we'll have to take it out of this hanger, and there's a hanger up in there that we'll have to take it out of on both sides. There and there again. So we'll get all that down and drop it, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Unboxing the ETS exhaust. And this is the hardware it comes with. Just some V-vane clamps, a gasket, and some paperwork. Alright guys, for this install you pretty much only need a 14 wrench, 12, which I'm going to use it on the impact, and some WD-40 or some form of lubrication and a pry bar. That should get you done. Just go ahead and put your hangers back on the inside before you hang it back up.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
If you're not running a full turbo back and you're running a stock OEM downpipe, recommend this screw and speed adapter for the 3-inch turbo back. No exhaust leaks.
This is the move for those who.
Next level. Next level.
All right, guys, the moment y'all been waiting for. We're about to fire it up and hear it for the first time. Alright guys, we got the ETS exhaust on the car. Inside the car it's not really too loud. A pretty good bit overstocked though, but it ain't too overbearing. We're going to take it down the road and see how it sounds and see what y'all think about it, and then we'll go from there. And this RA steering wheel is actually like a pretty sweet upgrade. Sounds really quiet on the road, but you can still hear a good rumble. No drone. The resonator is really doing a good job. And once he gets past the 1,000-mile mark, we'll actually get some acceleration and some shots like that. But after, like I said, after 1,000 miles. All right. Alright guys, that was the install on the ETS muffler with the resonator on a 2020 STI. Honestly, it sounds awesome. Had a real deep rumble, no drone going down the road. And like I said, once we break 1,000 miles on the car, we'll bring it back and actually get some acceleration stuff and like that. But the owner didn't want to do any acceleration pulls until that is done. So like I said, once we get that broken and in, we'll bring it back and do it again. So drop a subscribe, make sure you like the video, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next episode. Peace.